Oh snap. Okay. I'm back.
Ow,
Whoa.
my balls.
Get out of here.
My balls.
Yeah. So how many videos? Ah, come on!
Undead.
Why didn't you tell me that? Give me that. Freaking garbage. Start all the way back freaking here. Die! Okay, Felix. Hurry up. Get over here. I'm waiting.
Coming. Okay.
Okay, go in there and smash all the people.
You just push someone.
I'll back you up.
Ah! I'm dead. I am dead.
Let's go.
I'm getting my stuff back. Oh, come on! They stole it? I think they stole it.
This doesn't matter. Come on, help. You kill him. You better not die. Because if you die, I'm going to kill you. Don't go out there yet. Wait for me to respawn. Just get out of there. Okay. Grabbing this.
What?
Whoa!
Oh, that's gross. Give me my gravity hammer back. He just moved his own.
No, it's not. Okay, I need to go get my stuff back.
Just load him. I load him. It's a skin. Why is there a fire around?
Okay. Here comes the helicopters.
I call for it.
I call this one.
Hey.
Wait a second.
Both get in.
No, I call this one.
Hi.
Hi. Ah! No, it's not. It's not.
Let's just shoot him
Let's go.
one time.
Noob. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Woo! Oh man, I can't remember how many videos I've uploaded. No! Lose track.
What are I doing? Oh. So we're going to the next part. No! No! I think they're okay. Wait, no. No. Hey. I wish for the doctor to come. You're sick. God, gun.
Oh.
Knock it off. I just shot someone. him? No, you can't. I'm just killing him.
Come on, Felix, let's go. Come on, Felix. Hurry. Let's speed run this stuff. With mine. Come on, Felix, let's go. Do this.
We have a little car. Oh gosh. If I die, help the Marine.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. Come on, Felix. Let's speed run this.
I'm invisible.
Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have my jetpack anymore. Okay. This was... Wait a second. Oh yeah. Get out of here. Get out. Come on, Felix. Get over here. Go over there. Activate that.
Okay.
Never mind. I'm moving in. Go to the tower. I'm down. Stay there. Felix, I said stay there. Oops.
How do you get that? Son of a... Put his head off. That's great.
Speed run. Newbies. Move it, move it, move it. Ugh. Woo! Speed run.
We did it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Whee! Kaboom.
Wait, why aren't 6? Oh, 7.
Right. Oh wow, Felix hasn't gotten the achievement. He hasn't finished the campaign.
Wait, why are 7, but he called me 6?
It's because I'm a 6. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will continue it next time.